Hello, welcome to a statistics presentation on simple linear regression analysis. Here we're going to complete a module. Here we have the R squared value, standard error, and the F value. Here's the output from as far as the equations that are necessary. Here we have the R squared is equal to, there's a formula, S and F value. And really, for this particular module, you simply need to utilize these formulas to calculate the intended values. And with regression analysis, whenever you're using the software, the main thing to remember is how to interpret each of the values. And we'll discuss this in another video, but now we're just going to talk about how to find these actual values. So here we're going to find our R squared value, okay, from this particular output, and my R squared value comes from sequence SS regression divided by sequence SS total. And to do this, you just go here, I'm looking for sequence SS regression, which is this value, and sequence SS total, and you just divide it. Just plug it in. So here, and if you can do all this in Excel, it doesn't matter, but I'm going to just type in 24.0074 divided by 28.7040. Okay, I was typing and stopped. Let's see, 7040, and just hit enter. There's your value. That's going to be your R squared value. We'll enter them in at the end. Here for S value, that's your standard error. We're going to calculate this sequence SS error divided by n minus 2. My n in the problem, there were 10. So it's going to be square root of sequence SS error. So SQRT, whatever my sequence SS error is. So I'm going down here. Sequence SS error is 4.6966 divided by, I believe it was n minus 2. So my n was 10, so that would be 8. There's a second one. Here for the third one, we have the F value, and it's going to be your adjusted MS regression divided by your adjusted MS error. So the way you do that, you just find the values and divide them. Adjusted MS regression divided by adjusted MS error. So here equals, and you will need this when you get to your mastery test. So again, that's why I wanted to go through this to make sure you understand this. 0.5871, and we'll talk about what the definitions mean in another example. We're going to do one by hand because I want you to really see and understand what regression analysis is all about. It's not just plugging numbers into a formula, but you really need to understand what we're referring to. Here we have the values. Let's pull up the module, see if we can type all this information in. I believe it says here, express your answer as a percentage, round your answer to 2 decimal places. So we have 0.83637, so that's going to round. It says express your answer as a percentage. So I would round it to 83.6378% and round to 2 decimal places. So I'm going to round it to 83.64%. Okay. Here, standard error, that's my value here, and it says rounded 3 decimal places, so it's just going to be 0.766. And my F value, it says round to 2 decimal places, will be 40.89. And let's check our answer. We're correct. Again, I want to make sure I went through this because I don't think we did a great job with going through this at all in class. So now you have this, you can complete your module, and also this will help you for your mastery test because you do need these formulas and these concepts for the actual mastery test as well.